Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at this, the XTAR GoPro battery charger. Now this is yet to be released. It's going to be released soon on Kickstarter for about $40 US, available worldwide as well on Amazon, I do believe. So yeah, we're going to take a look at this. If you're an owner of a GoPro 9, 10, whatever you've got at the moment, now you know you need extra batteries. And having to carry extra batteries around with you is a bit of a pain in the backside. If you had them already charged or charging in your bag as you were going around, then you wouldn't have to have so many with you, especially if you're shooting all day. You need a lot of batteries with this thing. Now we know they've updated the system on the GoPro 10 recently where it shows the intelligent battery life. So if you're in video mode, it'll tell you say 60%, and then you switch it to photo mode, it will show you 80%. So you get an accurate reading of what your battery life is. But it's always essential with GoPros especially, and action cameras in general, to have extra batteries on you. That's when something like this comes in really handy. Having 3 batteries with you that you can charge, use one and charge the other 2 at the same time, rather than carrying 4, 5 or 6 different batteries with you, is really handy. It doesn't matter what version of the GoPro you've got as well. Anything from 5 to the 10, this will fit, because it actually comes in a nice little case as well with a battery adapter. So it will add the old batteries to this adapter, and it will fit in the case to charge the older batteries. So anything from the GoPro 5 to 10, this works with. That's awesome. It's got a 3 amp quick charge feature, so it will charge the batteries in 50 minutes. So for example, if you've got one battery, you're using the GoPro, one battery in there already, you can have the other 2 batteries in this, charging away in your camera bag, ready to use when you finally do need to change the battery on the GoPro 10. It's got a built-in 6700 milliamp battery, so in here what you do, you charge via USB-C at the back there, comes with the included lead as well. This will then charge the 2 batteries that are in here at least twice. So you've got 6700 milliamps, will charge those 1750 milliamp batteries twice at least. So you've got about 4 batteries theoretically in here charged. All you do when you get home, you plug this in, recharge it, and then you're ready to go next time. So really handy. It's very light as well, quite compact, just a little bit bigger than the actual GoPro, bit chunkier, bit higher, but not much bigger at all. So it's about the similar size. So you can just have this in your camera bag and have 4 batteries charging away all the time. As an added little bonus, it's got 2 SD card holders in there. That's a nice little touch, nice little design feature there, using the extra space there above where the battery would be situated. And it works really nicely. It's got the indicators on here. The lid is magnetic, by the way. There's 2 indicators either side to tell you, one if it's red it's charging the GoPro battery, when it turns green it's charged. Then you've got the indicator lights in the middle of those 2 green and red lights to say what the charge is of the actual case as well. So charges, like I said, it charges by USB-C, which is brilliant. We love USB-C on this channel, and it's just a cool, sleek design. There are a few negatives that I think that could be improved, like this lid. It'd be nice if this could lock instead of just being magnetic, because I could imagine if it's bouncing around in your camera bag, it's quite a strong magnet, but maybe if it's upside down it might come undone and then the batteries might fall out. That's a minor little nitpick on my behalf. Maybe they could have squeezed 3 batteries in here. It'd be nice. It's awesome it's got 2 in there charging away all the time, but maybe having 3. I've seen other chargers out there that could have 3 batteries charging in there, but maybe that wouldn't charge as quickly. You wouldn't have as much capacity in here to charge those batteries 4 times, only twice maybe. So yeah, it's a little bit of a nitpick, but overall a brilliant product, something that I've been looking for, and it's something I'm definitely going to keep in my camera bag, because I do use a GoPro a lot for when I'm shooting out and about. And it comes, like I said, in this cool little carry case as well, actually comes with a power adapter as well, so you can plug it in the wall and recharge this case. So cracking product, something I'm definitely going to use. I will link it down below. That's not an affiliate link, that is just a link to the Kickstarter, because like I said, it's not released yet. So you do get a big discount if you do pre-order this, so I'll link that down below. Otherwise, in a few months' time, this will be about $40 on Amazon and on their website. So I'll link it in the description down below if you want to grab one. Fully recommend having something like this in your camera bag. It's a GoPro owner's essential. So that's it for this video. I will link everything down below, like I said. Please, while you're down there, make sure you do subscribe. Don't be a stranger. Click that bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Lots of tech videos every single week. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys. Bye.